Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director here at Acculevel. You may be wondering, how effective is a dehumidifier in my home? In this video, we're going to answer that question for you. So when it comes down to effectiveness of dehumidifiers in your home, there's a lot of things that come into play. And what I mean by that is if the crawl space is wide open, for example, with no vapor barrier, with the vents wide open, and you have moisture coming in through the walls, up the floors, a dehumidifier is going to be much less effective than in other conditions. The other condition would be a fully encapsulated crawl space, right? Spray foam in the baseboards, sealed crawl vents. The controlled space, then you add the dehumidifier. That is going to be massively effective when you're controlling the humidity levels in your home. We meet people every day that when they go through this whole home solution with the encapsulation, with the spray foam, and then add that dehumidifier, notice a large difference even in their living space above. And so when you invest that into your home, you're gonna get a very good effectiveness for that. When you don't, and you just kind of have that vapor barrier, and maybe you don't need all those things, that dehumidifier is not going to be as effective just because it is fighting all the outside conditions, such as your humidity levels in the exterior air coming through your crawl vents, right? You're working that dehumidifier to work with that air and allowing those moisture levels from the floor and from the walls contribute to how hard that dehumidifier works. So the short answer to this is it depends on your space. But there's options to make this dehumidifier, to make your dehumidifier as effective as possible. And that's the kind of thing that our project advisors here at Acculevel will help you through. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped answer your questions for how effective can a dehumidifier be. If it did, go ahead and leave a comment below. And again, about 99% of the people that are watching are not subscribed or liking the videos, so please make sure you do.